it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really happy because finally, my BLK Cosmetics na order dumating na siya today. Siguro pag hindi nag-Holy Week, dumating siya dito after 4 days. Pero because it's Holy Week, lumagpas siya ng 4 days, naging 7 days na siya kasi nga Holy Week, diba? But anyway, here it is now. I ordered the BLK Cosmetics K-Beauty Starter Kit. And yung box na ito, ayan o, may sticker siya nakasama, which is nice. And ayan yung laman niya. Yung laman niya is 1 BB+CC cream in the shade light beige. And then yung ito, all day lip and cheek tint, ito pala, in the shade orange. And then this one is the intense color liquid eyeshadow. And it's a shimmer champagne. This entire box is what you call the K-Beauty Starter Kit box. I got this instead para makuha ko yung box kasi ang cute niya kasi. And then in the package, it came with this one. Akala ko may laman siya. But basically, wala siyang laman. Ayan. Ganito lang talaga siya. So, ang sabi dito, life is complicated, your makeup shouldn't be. So, I like the entire packaging kasi ang cute niya, as in, at saka yung sticker. So, this sticker reminds me of the peri-pera na luggage stickers. So, ang cute niya, diba? I like it. So, today, I'm going to review this. First impression lang. And the first product here is the BLK Cosmetics BB+CC CREAM STICK. This is my first time, not really my first time, but this is my first time for a long time to try a stick foundation. Kasi nung college ako, I tried the Nichido stick foundation. Ngayon pa lang ako nakabalik sa isang stick foundation. It's not really a foundation, but it's a BB+CC CREAM STICK. So the product is in here. Oh my God! Guys, look at that! Anong nangyari? Natanggal siya! Was I too hard or should I... Ayun! Oh my God! Na-shock ako! Pumunta dito yung buong product. Anyway, let's get over that. So, that's how much you get. Konti lang siya, no? And by the way, this BB+CC CREAM STICK retails for 449 pesos. Medyo mahal siya. And tapos, yun lang yung products na makukuha mo. And then, I chose this shade kasi doon sa website nila, ito lang yung may yellow undertone. And then, on the other side pala is a brush. So, teka, i-close ko muna to. So, I'm just, yan, careful ka dapat sa pag-close. Tapos, ito. Ayan yung brush niya. So, it's like a flat kabuki brush. Very dense. Okay, I'll try to use that. So, kuha tayo nitong foundation. I'm very careful. I'm going to put this everywhere. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yung mga parang naging dent siya agad. And, ayan, oh. Ay, ewan ko. It's very fragile. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Okay, so I'm going to blend this one first. Yung andito na. Tingnan nyo you guys. Weird. Andito lang sa gilid yung foundation. Ginaganyan ko naman siya. Pero hindi siya pumupunta sa gitna. You know what? I do not like the brush. Hindi ko gusto yung brush niya. It's too dense and it's too small for my liking. So, I have here my Zoeva buffer brush and kita nyo ba yan, guys? Ay, nako. So, ayan siya, guys. I think the shade matches me perfectly. So, the CC and the BB cream stick, it has given me a light to medium coverage. So, let me build up. Natatakot na tuloy ako. So, I'm being very careful. So far naman, it is buildable. But what I noticed is, it cling into there. Ayan siya. But it's not very noticeable. Pero pag sa malapitan, klarong-klaro talaga siya. So first impression, sorry Miss Anne, I love you. You look so beautiful. But this one, I'm going to rate this 2.5/5. But it has given me a beautiful finish. Hindi siya super duper matte. It's a soft matte finish. Para siyang semi-matte finish. Hindi ko din siya nafe-feel sa mukha ko na andyan siya sa mukha ko. Knowing that it's a cream stick or it's a BB+CC cream stick, hindi naman siya mabigat sa feeling. Yun nga lang, I do not like the brush on this one kasi it's too small and too dense for my liking. And I do not like the stick because it's too soft na madali siyang maputol and I don't know. So I'm going to apply my concealer muna and set my under eyes. But I'm not going to set my entire face kasi gagamitin ko pa itong lip and cheek tint. Ayan guys, tapos na rin ako magkilay and naka-concealer na rin ako. So I look a bit presentable now. So today I will be trying the BLK Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tint, and this is in the shade orange. Orange yung kinuha ko kasi meron na akong red, meron na din akong pink. So I wanna try orange for a change. And this one retails for 249 pesos. And oh my gosh, look at that guys. Ang liit-liit niya. This has, and wala siyang ml na nakakalagay dito, but imagine, ang liit niya. So this is my KGM Lip and Cheek Tint, and this one is the BLK Cosmetics Lip and Cheek Tint. And tingnan nyo naman yung difference. I know eto matagal tong maubos kasi you only need a tiny amount because a little goes a long way. Pero kasi 249 pesos, mahal siya. Tapos may ibang magaganda naman na lip and cheek tint, so it's still up to you guys. So anyway, eto na yon. I like the one. Alam niyo ba yung one niya? Yung parang sa Colourpop concealer. Ganun yung one niya. Yung one niya is flat on both ends. And ito siya. Oh, so that is orange. So let me try this on my cheeks first. Parang wala namang nangyari. Ito, kunin ko itong andito sa kamay ko. There you go. Pero in fairness, madali naman siyang i-blend. The only thing is I do not like the shade on me. Here on my cheeks, I got an orange kasi first time kong magkaroon ng orange na lip and cheek tint. But you know what? It has given me like a bronzer kind of effect. Diba? Ayan. And yung one niya pala guys is bendable. So mas madali siyang i-apply. It has a smell. It smells like candy and flower. I don't know. Actually, it matches my dress kasi may orange kind of colors yun sa dress ko. Ayan. Not so bad on my lips. I think I like it better on my lips than on my cheeks. But okay din naman sa cheeks ko. I'm not really into this kind of blush color kasi I always want a mauvey, peachy, pinky blush. Parang ganun kasi yung go-to blush ko. So, siguro naninibago lang ako. But in fairness, it blended well on my cheeks. And I like it on my lips as well. I think it looks nice. And then the last product will be this one. This is the Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Cute. Tapos may open and close parentheses, Shimmer Champagne. So I chose this color Champagne kasi it will match all looks. So I kind of wanted this. And ang liit niya guys ha. Tingnan nyo. Ang liit niya. Ang liit niya. And wala ding nakalagay kung how many ml yung nandito. 299 pesos. Ganito kaliit. Oh my god. I hope it's nice. Para naman maging worth it siya, diba? And yung doe foot applicator niya is ayan. Para siyang doe foot applicator ng concealers. And that is the shade right there. So yes, I'm going to put this here on my lids. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba siya. Alam niyo guys, maganda to pang base color, pang base makeup. Para bang primer. Hindi naman siya nakikita sa mata. Ano ba yan? And then dito, tingnan nga natin dito. So, mas makapal yung nilagay ko dito and klaro niya na ba? Dito kasi sa mirror ko, medyo klaro na siya. Parang nawala tong dito. It just given me a sheen. Parang ganun lang. Lagyan ko pa ha. Let me build it up here. So, ayan na. Close up ko ha. Okay, so let me finish the rest of my face and then I'll get back to you. Ayan guys, I'm back and medyo nag-drunk blush lang ako. Dinagdagan ko yung blush ko. I set the cheek tint with a powder, yung mellow wine ng Wet n Wild. So for my final thoughts, you know what? If you buy this entire kit, I'm gonna say it's not worth it. Kasi I paid with the shipping ha. Ang mahal ng shipping nila kasi. Yung shipping nila cost me 230 pesos. But the entire kit, lahat dito, yung value niya is 997 pesos. Tapos yung 997 pesos mo, 3 products lang. Buti sana yung Pink Sugar na Uncludes Ultimate Kit number 2 kasi 999 pesos yon. And you get 7 products. Pero ito, 3 products lang. And ang liliit nila. And this one, pinaka-okay sa akin sa 3 products na ito. I'm gonna go for the Lip&CHEEK Tint. Kahit medyo hindi ko bet yung cheek tint on my face, on my cheeks rather, as a blush. Maybe because I'm not into this kind of blush colors. But okay naman siya. This performed well. It's nice. It blended pretty good on my cheeks. And dito din sa aking lips. I like the one. Maganda yung one niya kasi diba yung ColourPop na no filter concealer. I like the one of that concealer kasi nga ganito yung one niya. It's bendable and it's easy to apply. The only thing is, ang liit niya. And I don't know how many ml you have here kasi walang nakalagay dito kung ilang ml lang siya. Tapos, ayun. Yung pinaka-hate ko dito, not really hate, but ang mahal niya kasi 299 pesos to guys. And ang liit-liit, parang pinky finger ko lang siya. Oh. Ayan oh, kasi ito handle na ito. And ayan yung pinky finger ko. Ang liit niya, promise. And hindi siya very opaque on my lids, maybe because the color is in the shade Champagne. Pero diba, intense. Yung nakalagay kasi dito, intense color liquid eyeshadow. So I wanted an intense color payoff on my face. So it's sheer. This is definitely sheer. It's not very opaque. But this is nice as an eye primer. Yung bang base color. And that is what I did today. Naglagay ako ng champagne color on top of this one. And it kind of worked. But you know what? This is my least favorite in this kit. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. 299 pesos. And mas maliit pa siya kaysa sa pinky finger ko. So, ayun. And then next will be the BB and the CC cream. I like the coverage. It has given me a medium coverage. It blended okay using my own brush. Etong buffer brush ko from Zoeva. But when you use their own brush, matatagalan ka. It will take you a decade before you can blend your entire face. Ganun siya. Kasi maliit siya and I don't like it. Alam niyo, sana tinagal na lang nila yung brush tapos mas marami yung product. Tapos I don't know if it's just the formula of the stick foundation, it's too soft. Kaya ayan no, parang may indentation na siyang nangyari dyan. Or maybe because of the shipping. Pero alam nyo ba, sobrang kapal ng bubble wrap niya. So I think talagang nainitan siya doon sa courier. Kasi na-store siya ng ilang araw siguro, diba, sa storage room nila. Kasi nga because of Holy Week, kaya siguro medyo nag-melt na yung stick. I don't know, maybe. But for 449 pesos, ang mahal niya talaga. And ang konti lang yung makukuha mo. So I'm gonna say, kanina, 2.5 yung rating ko first impression. But now, I'm gonna say 2.5 pa rin. Kasi ang liit niya, madali siyang maputol. Ang mahal niya. I don't know. Maganda naman siya, pero 449 pesos. So that's just my first impression, guys. I'm going to wear this tomorrow when I'm at work. And I'm going to give you an update on that on the description box below or on the comment section of this video. So please don't forget to read that part. That's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video somehow. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! God bless everyone! Mwah!